Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to Healthy Habits, where we dive deep into all things wellness. Today, we're talking about something that's been gaining a lot of attention recently: gut health. It's more than just digestion, it's the key to overall well-being. Ready to learn how to keep your gut in check? Let's jump right in. When we talk about gut health, we're referring to the balance of bacteria in your digestive tract, known as the microbiome. These tiny organisms play a huge role in how your body processes food, absorbs nutrients, and even impacts your mood. How do you know if your gut is unhappy? Here are some common signs: bloating, irregular bowel movements, constant fatigue, and even skin issues like acne. If you're experiencing these, it might be time to show your gut some love. Want to know the secret to a happy gut? It starts with what you eat. Here are my top 5 gut-boosting foods. 1. Probiotics, found in yogurt and fermented foods like kimchi and sauerkraut. These good bacteria help balance your gut flora. 2. Prebiotics, foods like bananas, garlic, and onions. They act as food for your healthy gut bacteria. 3. Fiber-rich foods, oats, whole grains, and leafy greens keep things moving smoothly. 4. Bone broth, full of collagen, which can help repair the gut lining. 5. Kombucha, a tasty fermented drink loaded with probiotics. It's not just about food. Here are some habits that can help improve your gut health. 1. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water helps digestion. 2. Manage stress. High stress levels can disrupt your gut. Try meditation or deep breathing. 3. Exercise regularly. Even a 30-minute walk can make a difference. 4. Get enough sleep. A well-rested gut is a happy gut. Stress management is key. High stress can lead to gut issues, so take time to relax and reset. Here's something fascinating: your gut and brain are in constant communication through something called the gut-brain axis. Ever feel butterflies in your stomach when you're nervous? That's the gut-brain connection at work. Improving your gut health can boost your mood and mental clarity. So, whether it's eating more fermented foods, managing stress, or simply drinking more water, small changes can lead to a huge improvement in your gut health. Your body and mind will thank you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on healthy living. Let's make good health a priority together.